even begin to guess what a house like this is worth. So of course when they do film here they'll make an arrangement. You remember in the series, of course, there's issues about money, and at one point Lord Grantham is actually seriously considering selling Downton Abbey. Why didn't they just sell the London home? It would have been easier. And then got some more pictures here. The locations always look slightly larger on screen. I mean, this kind of cobbled area here looks slightly larger, but here's Lady Mary with Lord Gillingham. By the way, this shot at the bottom is a cheat. It's a composite shot. So they've got a plate, a background of Buckingham Palace, and this is all on the back lot of the studio. Okay, so this is our final location. Hope you enjoyed the tour. So you got to see some places you don't normally see. So yeah, if you're ever in London, you want a quiet spot, do go and into Temple.